Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Welcome to the world of Python programming with Turtle Graphics. Turtle Graphics is a popular way for introducing programming to kids and beginners. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a simple 25 squares checkerboard pattern using loops in Python with the help of the Turtle module. Make sure you have Python installed on your system. If not, you can download it from python.org. The Turtle module comes pre-installed with Python, so there's no need for additional installations. Before we start coding, let's set up the Turtle environment. Open your favorite text editor or integrated development environment, IDE, and create a new Python file, example checkerboard.py. Now, let's define a function to draw a square. We'll use this function to draw our checkerboard. This function takes a parameter size and draws a square of that size. Next, let's create a function to draw the checkerboard. We'll use nested loops to draw multiple rows and columns of squares. In this function, we use two loops to draw 5 rows, each containing 5 squares. We then move the turtle to the next row after completing each row. Now, let's call the draw_checkerboard function to see our checkerboard in action. Save the file and run it using the command. You should see a Turtle Graphics window pop up, and after a moment, it will draw a simple 25 squares checkerboard pattern. Feel free to customize the code by changing the square_size variable or adding colors to the squares to make it more visually appealing. Experiment with different values to see how they affect the checkerboard. Congratulations! You've just created a simple Python program using Turtle Graphics to draw a checkerboard pattern. This is a great starting point for exploring more complex Turtle Graphics projects. Happy coding! ChatGPT. Title: Creating a checkerboard pattern with Turtle in Python. Introduction. Python's Turtle module provides a simple and interactive way to introduce programming concepts to beginners. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through creating a 25 square checkerboard pattern using loops. The Turtle module allows you to draw graphics on the screen by controlling a turtle that moves around. Requirements. Let's get started. Step 1. Setting up Turtle. Open your favorite Python IDE or a text editor and create a new Python file. Import the Turtle module and create a turtle object. Step 2. Drawing a square. We'll start by defining a function to draw a single square. We'll use this function later to create the entire checkerboard. Step 3. Drawing the checkerboard. Now, let's use loops to draw a 5x5 checkerboard. We'll call the draw_square function within nested loops. Explanation. Feel free to customize the code by adjusting the square size, colors, or dimensions of the checkerboard to suit your preferences. Happy coding! ChatGPT.